Welcome to the Parsimony tutorial on the buying function. In this video, we will focus on the supplier subfunction. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently manage your supplier's information and understand how to use the Parsimony system effectively. Once you've logged into Parsimony, click on the buying module to access various accounting functions. In the supplier section, you'll find a wide range of options to manage your suppliers efficiently. To manage your supplier information, click on the Supplier tool. To add a new supplier to the system, click on the Add button. Now, you can enter the supplier's details, such as the supplier's name, address, contact information, and tax details. You can also set default credit and payment terms if applicable. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click on Save to save the supplier details. You can view all your suppliers in the supplier list, where you'll find a summary of each supplier's information. To view more detailed information about a specific supplier, simply click on their name in the supplier list. In the supplier's profile, you can find the purchase orders section. This will display all the purchase orders associated with this supplier. Similarly, you can find the purchase invoices section to view all the invoices related to this supplier. If the supplier has multiple contact persons, you can manage them under the Contact Persons section. Congratulations! You've learned how to manage your supplier's information using the buying function and the supplier subfunction in Parsimony. Now, you can confidently add, edit, and delete suppliers, keeping all your supplier data organized and accessible. Thank you for watching, and happy supplier management!